Okay. We have 2024 Honda Civic. Customer purchased a spoiler. This is the spoiler that comes with brake lights. I'm gonna put that in. Alright, so let's install this. Out. The first step is to remove this trunk liner here. You need a panel popper to remove all these clips, and we're gonna get rid of this.
You man, something's wrong with you. She's bothering you.
You just use a panel popper to remove those clips. It's a two parts. The outer one remove first, and the inner one pops out. So once you have that out, you're supposed to have 4 of these. So what you're gonna do is, we only got 3. So what you do is, you put this in here, one on your side. Alright, so since that's not gonna stay like that, we're gonna tape that up. Alright, we put some tape on it because it keeps falling off. It should have been a little bit larger so it stays in, but it doesn't. So bring over. So before you put that spoiler on, inspect under part of where the spoiler screw is gonna go, and make sure there's nothing on it. Right, so place the spoiler where it's gotta go. Then you're gonna put tape. Right, to secure, I put some electrical tape over that plastic rod they supply. You do it all 4 of them. In my case, it's 3 and 1 wire tie. Then lift. Hang on. Okay, so now this is where the hole's gonna be, pilot holes gonna be at. We're gonna make a pilot hole through that little pinhole there. There. Okay, so once you make the pilot hole, we're gonna get rid of this. Now we have 4 holes. This bit broke. Alright, so we put some silicone just to be sure. We don't want any water leak. Just put it on. Sometime today is good. No rush.
No rush. Why you rush?
So we're gonna put screws one at a time.
No seat. What is the?
From your mistake. Oh shit. So we put 4 10mm bolts, 2 on each side. And it has a third brake light. We ran this line alongside of this factory wire. Red and black wire, we're going to extend it. This is the third brake light on the part of it, trunk. Unplug it. There are 2 wires there. One's light green, the other one's black. Black is the ground, light green is a plus. So that goes to the red wire from the new light, and black goes to black wire here. Okay.